So if your battery goes flat or you disconnect the battery for any reason, you'll get the SEC code when you turn your key on, just one click. Just hold down the tune and the 1 button. That will bring you to this menu here, and this is where you enter in the last 3 digits of your VIN number, which you can find usually in the front of your Toyota Prado. This is for Toyota Prado 2001. In other countries like New Zealand, you can use the website CarJam by carjam.co.nz and then type in your registration plate, and then you'll get your VIN number that way. So just using the buttons 1, 2 and 3, enter your last 3 digits. So mine is 5, 4, 1, and then just press the scan button. It may look like your radio went into SEC mode again, but just switch it off and on and you'll be up and running again. You probably will need to set all your stations again because it's most likely lost its memory. And that's how you do it in a Toyota Prado 2001.